Hey, welcome to the frequency sweep technique. This is lesson number 2 in the EQ series. In lesson 1, we learned the basic EQ and filter types. Those are your tools. Now you're going to learn the one essential technique for using them. And again, this is how you find the right frequencies to cut and boost in your tracks. Everybody knows how much it sucks to EQ your snare drum for 12 hours and wonder if it sounds good. This technique will help you understand when you are doing the right thing so you can be confident about your EQ decisions and get great sound quickly without banging your head against the desk. Best part of all, you learn by doing it inside live with hands-on guided tutorials where you hear instructions, follow examples, and do activities to learn by doing it so you actually remember it and you can get great sound in your tracks really quick. Come on inside, let me show you how this hands-on session lesson works. Welcome to the frequency sweep technique. In this lesson, it's all about parametric EQ. You're going to learn how to use parametric EQ like a surgical tool to identify specific parts of the frequency range which need to be cut or boosted. Let's do some frequency sweep on a lovely pink noise sound. Step 1 is to add gain. Check your Q to make sure your frequency is not too wide, not too narrow. And you sweep around to find different parts of the sound. Your turn. In the next activity, boost the gain, sweep the frequencies from high to low and back again. And let's remember the golden rule of EQ is cut before you boost. That brings us to the end of the lesson. Congratulations. So isn't that cool? You do the lesson inside live and learn by actually playing with the sounds, which is the fun way. So you can get the ideas out of your head and into the speakers where they belong. Thanks so much. I'm Steve Knotts. See you in session view.